As an innovative company, we are constantly looking for new ways to improve photography automation to help our customers to achieve even better quality images in a faster way. That's why we are so excited to be the first company to benefit from the new Sony Camera SDK and to be able to integrate OrbitView solutions with the top-end mirrorless camera system. Our customers will benefit from a wider camera choice to better match their unique requirements for shooting stills and videos.
Hello, my name is Yasuo Barber and I'm responsible at Sony Europe for the professional business. And today we are at ISE in Amsterdam and we launched our camera remote stand here is for the e-commerce market. And for that we need a reliable solution provider, and we found OrbitView, and we are very, very pleased about the innovation power of OrbitView and the reliability. And today we are very pleased that they were able to provide the solution. It's not only about reliable product, it's also about human relationship. And when we met Tomasz Bohonek, we thought, okay, we can really collaborate, and here we are, and we are very pleased to have OrbitView as our partner here at ISE in Amsterdam.